Hey, this is Steve with Coffee Shop Blogger, helping you build a better website. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on Cloudways in less than 10 minutes. So why use Cloudways? The reason why I love Cloudways so much is because it's really easy to set up and you can install WordPress in less than 10 minutes. And there's no upfront cost with Cloudways, you just get billed per hour and you only get charged for what you use at the end of the month. And you also don't need a domain name, so if you're new to WordPress and you just want to try WordPress out for a very low cost, then you can set up your WordPress website on Cloudways and you don't need a domain name to be able to have a play around with WordPress. I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. And it's also super fast web hosting with Cloudways, and they offer great support, which is 24/7. So how do you install WordPress on Cloudways? Well, we're going to do it in 4 steps, and I'm going to show you step by step. And the first thing we're going to do is go to getcloud.host and click on Start Free. And if you use the promo code CSB20, you'll get 20% off your first 2 months. And if you do use my promo code and the link, you'll be supporting my channel, as this is my affiliate code and my affiliate link, and I'll really appreciate that. It enables me to continue creating free content for this channel. And then I'm going to show you how to activate your account and then create your server so that we can install WordPress. And we should be able to do all of this in less than 10 minutes. So let's get started. So if you go to your browser and type in getcloud.host, you'll see this page, and then we're going to click on Start Free. And then you'll see this page, and what you want to do is fill out your details. And then it asks, I would best describe myself as, and you just choose one of these. I'm going to select blogger. And my monthly hosting spending is, I'm just going to select the first one. And make sure you enter your promo code, which is CSB20, and you get your first 2 months for 20% discount. And click on the checkbox just here and click on Start Free. So the first thing you'll see is this welcome pop-up, and we can just click on Start Now. And what they ask you to do first is create your server, but what I'm going to do is show you how to activate your account so that you don't have your server deleted in 3 days. And I'm just going to explain what this means. So when you first sign into your Cloudways account, you get a 3-day trial. What you're allowed to do in the 3 days is you can use your Cloudways account completely free and install WordPress. You can create your server, create your WordPress install, and play around with WordPress for 3 days. But then after 3 days, the server and the WordPress website will get deleted. So once the free trial is up, you won't be able to use your WordPress site again until you activate your account. So that's why I recommend to upgrade and activate your account now. And when you first activate your account, you'll be charged $1, but that will be refunded to you straight away or within a couple of days. And that's just to activate and make sure your card is working. And then your account will be billed per hour. So you don't pay anything upfront at all. And you'll pay the minimum monthly fee of $10 per month. And that depends on which plan you choose. I'll show you that in a second. And you can also cancel your account anytime, and you'll only be charged for the amount of time you've used your server. So it's a really cheap and affordable way of using WordPress if you've never used WordPress before. And I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. So let's get started. So the first thing you'll need to do is verify your account. So log into your email provider with the email address that you use to sign up to Cloudways and click on the link in your email. If you don't see the email in your inbox, you can just click on this link here so that they can resend it for you. And once you've clicked on the link, you'll see this page. And then what we can do is come over to this icon at the top here and click on Account. And then you want to click on Credit Card. And what we need to do is authorize a credit card. And it does say here that when they authorize the card, they need to charge it $1 for verification purposes. But then it will automatically be reversed, so you get that $1 back again. So click on Authorize Credit Card, and then you'll see this page where you need to add your card details. So I'm going to do that now. So once you've added your card details, just click on Authorize, and you'll see the thank you page for upgrading your account, and we can close that. And then what you want to do is click on Servers. So we're now on step 4, which is create our server and install WordPress. So from the servers page, click on launch, and what we're going to do is select WordPress from this drop down box, and I'm going to choose clean, no Cloudways optimization, and we're going to name the managed app, which is WordPress. Now you can call this anything you like, it doesn't matter what you call it. You can just be testing WordPress or something. And in the name of the server, you can do test server and then give it a project name, test account, and you can always change these names later on. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to select DigitalOcean. You can choose any of these, but DigitalOcean is the cheapest one. And then the server size, I want to choose 1 GB. And you'll notice that when I move this slider along, it changes the price down here. And the price is just over 1 cent per hour. So it's 0.0139 per hour. So if you only use it for a week, you're only going to be charged a couple of dollars. But if you use the full month, you won't be charged more than $10 for 1 GB. And then you want to select your location. So the location you want to choose is the one closest to you, or the one closest to where your visitors live. So I'm going to just keep mine as London, and then click on Launch Now. And then you'll see this page where it's adding the server, and the server is going to take about 7 minutes to create, and it's also going to create the WordPress installation for us. So I'm going to speed up this process so you don't have to wait for 7 minutes like I do, and then I'll show you the WordPress website afterwards. Okay, so the server and WordPress website has been created, and to access our new WordPress website we can just click on the www just here and then select the WordPress installation, and then you'll see this page. So I'm just going to explain a few things and what this all means. So the application is WordPress. So if you are confused by what that means when it says application, it's basically just saying what have you installed on your Cloudways account. Because you can install more than just WordPress. You don't have to use Cloudways for WordPress, you can use it for other things as well. But in our case we're using WordPress, so application means WordPress. And so the application URL is this URL just here. So if we click on this icon just here, it's going to open up a new tab, and it's going to show the home page of our new WordPress website. And this is what I was talking about when we don't need a domain name, because Cloudways gives us this private domain name for us that we can use for our WordPress website. So like I said before, if you don't already have a domain name, then you don't need one. You can just use this one to start WordPress website. And to access your admin, you just click on this icon just here, and you'll see this page, and this is where you enter your username and password. And the username and password is saved in your Cloudways account. So you can click on your username and paste that in. And then also click on the password and then paste that in as well. And then click on login. And now you're logged into your WordPress admin. So now that you've got your WordPress website set up, you can go ahead and add some blog posts or some pages just here. And you can come over to the settings and change your website name. So you can change some of the settings and change your permalinks, which is always a good idea. So I always choose post name, and you come over to themes and you can install some themes, and you can basically use WordPress in exactly the same way you would do with any other web hosting. And even if you had your domain name as well, you can set up your entire website with this WordPress installation. So you can find a theme that you like, and you can add some plugins just here. And if you do have a domain name, or you'd like to get a domain name for your WordPress website, I will link to another video in the description. And in that video, I'll show you how to add your domain name to your Cloudways account. And then this domain name will change to your new domain name. So that's how you install WordPress on Cloudways and without needing a domain name. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you did like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell to get notified of my new videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers guys.